Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into the specifications and performance of two popular graphics cards, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. We'll explore their features, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to gaming performance, the MSI RTX 3060 is a solid choice for 1080p gaming, providing smooth frame rates in most modern titles. However, the PowerColor RX 7800 XT takes the lead with its superior performance at higher resolutions, making it the better option for gamers looking to play at 1440p or even 4K. The RX 7800 XT's advanced architecture allows it to handle demanding games with ease, ensuring a more immersive gaming experience. Another important factor to consider is the amount of video memory. The MSI RTX 3060 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is decent for most gaming scenarios. However, the PowerColor RX 7800 XT boasts a more impressive 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing better performance in memory-intensive applications and future-proofing for upcoming titles that may demand more VRAM. This additional memory can make a significant difference in high-resolution gaming and content creation tasks. Price is always a crucial aspect when choosing a graphics card. The MSI RTX 3060 is priced at $459, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the PowerColor RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, which reflects its higher performance capabilities. While it may be a bit more expensive, the additional investment could be worthwhile for those seeking top-tier performance. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 3060 is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers focused on 1080p performance, while the RX 7800 XT is ideal for those looking for superior performance at higher resolutions. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.